Have you ever heard of a man who cracked the financial markets not with instincts, not with luck, but with pure mathematics so precisely that his trading fund became more profitable than Warren Buffett, George Soros, and every legendary trader combined? This is the story of Jim Simons, the quiet genius behind the world's most secretive trading empire. Born as a gifted mathematician with a passion for solving impossible problems, Jim Simons never planned to become a trader. His early life was spent decoding encrypted messages for the U.S. government and teaching geometry at top universities. But Simons had a strange curiosity. He believed that markets, even chaotic ones like Forex, followed patterns hidden beneath noise. While most traders looked at charts, Simons looked at equations, while others trusted emotions. He trusted data, and that curiosity would eventually make him a billionaire many times over. As Simons explored the world of trading, he wasn't even known as a trader. He was known as a mathematician chasing structure and randomness. His name started appearing quietly in financial circles as the man who used computer models instead of technical indicators. He built a small team of scientists, physicists, and code breakers, people who had never placed a single Forex trade in their lives. Together, they formed what would later become Renaissance Technologies, a firm dedicated to uncovering repeating patterns in markets, including currency pairs that moved millions of times a day. Simons' approach to Forex wasn't based on candlestick patterns or retail strategies. His team built complex algorithms that detected tiny inefficiencies in the currency market's movements so small and so fast that humans could never see them. They used statistical arbitrage, machine learning before the world even called it machine learning, and predictive modeling. Instead of trading manually, they built systems that entered and exited positions in milliseconds, exploiting micro-price deviations across global currencies. They traded everything: your USD, GBP, JPY, AUD, CAD, hundreds of combinations analyzed through supercomputers. His Forex strategy relied on three pillars: overwhelming amounts of data, nonstop model refinement, and absolute secrecy. No one at Renaissance guessed the full formula. Each person only knew one part of his code. That secrecy was the reason the fund continued winning year after year. Jim Simons proved that the Forex market isn't random. It only looks random until someone with enough mathematical firepower studies it deeply. His models learned from history, detected repeating human behavior, and executed thousands of trades a day with extreme precision. While emotional traders blew accounts, Simons' algorithms quietly profited from volatility, mispricing, and liquidity gaps. His Medallion Fund produced returns so high, over 60% yearly, for decades that it became closed to outside investors forever. It is considered the most successful trading strategy in human history. In the end, Jim Simons' success teaches an unusual lesson. You don't need to predict the market. You need to understand its structure. You don't win by emotion but by logic. And above all, the biggest edge in Forex isn't a magic indicator, it's the ability to think differently from the crowd. Jim Simons didn't follow the market, he decoded it. And that is why his story remains one of the most extraordinary in trading history.